Using memory and context to maintain long conversations is a powerful prompt engineering technique that helps AI understand continuity, allowing it to remember key details, follow threads, and provide coherent responses across extended interactions. This is essential when working on complex projects, teaching lessons, or conducting ongoing coaching sessions. Let's start with the basics. Context refers to the information you provide within your prompt to remind the AI what has already been discussed. Since AI models do not truly remember like humans, they rely on the text you include in each message to stay consistent. The clearer your context, the smoother and more logical the conversation will feel. For example, if you're writing a course script, instead of saying, "Continue writing," you can say, "Continue writing the next section of a course on prompt engineering for educators. The previous section explained role-based prompts, and the next should cover using context effectively." This keeps the AI aligned with the topic and tone, avoiding disjointed or repetitive content. Now let's talk about memory simulation. While many AI tools have limited memory, you can simulate memory by strategically reintroducing key points in your prompt. For example, earlier we discussed how AI can act as a writing coach. Based on that, generate 3 exercises that reinforce creativity. By referencing past ideas, you help the AI build a virtual thread of continuity. This technique is invaluable for long-term projects like books, course creation, or research. You can start each new session with a summary prompt. Here's a quick recap of our progress so far, followed by bullet points of what's been covered. Then instruct the AI to continue from there. This refreshes the AI's context and ensures consistency in tone, structure, and objectives. In conversational use, context anchoring helps maintain relationships between topics. For instance, earlier you helped me design a productivity system. Now let's build a morning routine that fits within that system. This keeps the AI aware of the logical sequence and prevents unrelated responses. You can also use persistent context to manage tone and persona across sessions. For example, you are a professional coach who always provides structured motivational feedback. Maintain this tone throughout our conversation. By repeating this directive, you ensure the AI stays consistent even when the discussion shifts topics. Another useful strategy is context summarization, asking the AI to summarize what's been discussed before moving on. Example, summarize our last conversation in 2 sentences, then continue with the next step. This gives both you and the AI a shared checkpoint, improving coherence and focus. For educators or creators, chained context prompts are essential. You can build multi-part lessons by feeding previous outputs back into new prompts. Using the introduction you wrote earlier, expand it into a full lesson script with examples and exercises. This chaining process allows AI to generate complex, layered projects that feel seamless. Memory and context prompts are also useful in customer support, coaching, and training simulations. For example, you are an HR assistant continuing a conversation from earlier. Recall that the employee was requesting flexible work hours. Respond accordingly. This makes interactions more natural and personalized. Finally, always maintain clarity and brevity when restating context. Too much detail can overwhelm the AI, while too little can cause it to lose track. Aim to include just enough background for continuity, like a quick summary before moving forward. In short, using memory and context effectively allows AI to maintain focus, build upon previous ideas, and deliver responses that feel connected and intelligent. By mastering this technique, you turn one-off interactions into cohesive, evolving conversations, a crucial skill for any educator, creator, or professional working with AI.